A 5-minute motorcycle ride. That's what Michael Gomez of Moreno Valley planned on. Michael was supposed to take a quick trip near a friend's home and be back within a matter of minutes. He had no idea the trip would turn into the worst day he and his family ever experienced. Michael was involved in an accident that left him with a life-threatening traumatic brain injury that required a 3-month stay at RUHS Medical Center. Though the ordeal was hard on Michael and his wife Rosie, the couple says they'll always be grateful for compassionate care from RUHS nurses.
You know, it took a village, and there's so many of them there that, you know, just made it for us.
Rosie remembers one stressful morning when she was told Michael might not make it. That's when Nurse Justo Gonzalez stepped up.
Justo said, you know what, Rosie? You tell me Michael's a clean-cut guy, you know, and he's well-groomed every day. I'm like, he is, you know, he's one of those guys. He goes, all right, let's make it happen, because if he goes, you know, I want you to have him good, okay?
When I see patients like Michael or any other patients, I kind of see myself. I kind of see my siblings, my friends. I see like the culture, the type of people that I grew up with. And so I just kind of put myself in their position, and I ask myself, you know, how would I want my loved ones or myself to be treated?
Rosie says she watched as Michael's oxygen levels climbed dramatically, something she credits to Justo's exceptional care.
I can't thank him enough for that, because it wasn't in his job description to shave the patient, to make him look good or make him feel good. You know, he just really needs to go in there and give him the meds and be done.
And she says she'll never forget the kind gift Nurse Patricia Bukayu provided to her young son.
During her lunch and her personal time, she went and grabbed a friend of hers that worked in ultrasound, came to our room, took an ultrasound of Michael's heartbeat, and put it into a teddy bear for my son, so that he had something of his dad's. And I can't thank her enough for that, because thank God it didn't get to that, but my son would have had a little piece of his dad somewhere close.
Despite seemingly insurmountable odds, Michael began to recover and regain consciousness.
Yeah, so one of the things that stood out in my mind about Michael's recovery is almost how sudden and dramatic it was.
Michael says he remembers nurses working to keep him comfortable during periods of limited mobility and supplying medication as soon as he needed it. But the thing Michael was most thankful for was the opportunity to be home with his family again, saying it was
the best feeling in the world. Yep.
And Rosie has a message for the caring providers and nurses who helped her family.
Thank you. Thank you.